I will discuss some JEE short tricks. In this video, I will tell you a shortcut to find the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle when the midpoints of the sides are given. The coordinates of the vertices will be sum of the midpoints of the two adjacent sides minus midpoint of the opposite side. For A, P and R are midpoint of the adjacent sides and Q will be midpoint of the opposite side. Therefore, A equal to P plus R minus Q. Similarly, B equal to P plus Q minus R and C equal to R plus Q minus P. For example, the midpoints of a triangle are 2, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and 4, 5. We have to find the coordinates of its vertices. Here P equal to 2, 1, Q equal to minus 1, minus 3, R equal to 4, 5. Now A equal to P plus R minus Q equal to 2, 1 plus 4, 5 minus of minus 1, minus 3. We will get 2 plus 4 plus 1, 1 plus 5 plus 3, which is 7, 9. Now B equal to P plus Q minus R equal to 2, 1 plus minus 1, minus 3 minus 4, 5, which is 2 minus 1 minus 4, 1 minus 3 minus 5, which is minus 3, minus 7. Similarly, C equal to R plus Q minus P, which is equal to 4, 5 plus minus 1, minus 3 minus 2, 1. We will get 4 minus 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3 minus 1, which is 1, 1. Try this problem using the shortcut which I have discussed. Thank you.